Number 28. The diagram shows a strawberry plant. These plants can reproduce asexually by producing plantlets. Why is this method of reproduction useful to strawberry farmers? So, looks like this plantlet comes from the same strawberry plant, which means, as it says, it's reproduced asexually, which means it's a clone. Clone means this plantlet has exactly the same DNA as this strawberry plant. So these two DNAs are the same. Okay? So it means that plantlets are produced by mitosis. So mitosis is the asexual reproduction. It's a form of asexual reproduction that creates genetically identical daughter cells, meaning clones. And they are genetically identical. So which means if these strawberry plants are very, let's say, healthy, and they contain very good genes, then these plantlets are also healthy, and they also contain the good genes. So that's going to be useful for strawberry farmers. So the answer for this one is D.